Hello guys, my name is Avele Frame and I'll be teaching you on the basics or the tips on how to start and grow a YouTube channel in the year 2025. First of all, before you grow your YouTube channel or even before you even grow a YouTube channel, you need to have a YouTube channel. And before you get a YouTube channel, you need to have a Gmail account, because it's that Gmail account you will use, that is your Google account. That's what you will use in creating your YouTube channel. Now, Google is the highest search engine. Then the next one is the YouTube. So most people are interested in videos now. Nobody really wants to read books or read anything. They just want to go online and check a video. So YouTube is the #1 platform for videos. Now, if you want to start your YouTube channel, you need to know what you really want to give to your audience per se. You can't just start a YouTube channel and you just start laughing, ha ha ha. It doesn't work like that. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, there are a lot of things to really consider. #1, you need to have a name. Now go online. Okay, let's say you have a specific name, but you don't know if someone is using it. So you can go to YouTube and search that name. Then if possible, I will advise that you go to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, because probably you have a YouTube channel and you want to have other social media accounts for that YouTube channel. So you need to check the name. You do name research. Now, if nobody is using that name, then you've gotten the name. If you pick the name and no one is using it, you've gotten the name. And the name should be simple to remember, not a long name that will be hard. If your name is hard, nobody really wants to remember something that long except you. So you can just pick a simple name that no one is using and start something. Now, for you to monetize a YouTube channel, you need about 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hour. But also, YouTube brought it down. So you need 500 subscribers and you need to have a total of 3,000 watch hours, meaning people would have watched all your videos for a total of 3,000 watch hours. But once you get the first stage of monetization, that is the 500 subscribers and the 3,000 watch hours, you can't really make money per se from ads, because the main source of revenue in YouTube is the ads that are being displayed on your video. So you can't really make money per se with that, except you want to just create a community where people can pay you to join your community. But if you are really talking about real cash, you need to get the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hour in the span of 365 days. Make sure it doesn't expire. Just keep putting content so you know that in the last 365 days you have over 4,000 watch hours, so you can continue to stay in monetization. So if you want to grow a YouTube channel, I'm your coach. You can just hit the subscribe button and join my community if you really are interested in growing your YouTube channel. Now, back to what we have been talking about. Firstly, after you've gotten a name, you need to, even before you get a name, you need to have or know the type of content you want to be putting. You can't just be putting random content. No, people won't know you for a specific thing. If you are a gamer, then you can actually be playing games and be uploading. If it's only the GTA games you want to be playing, you can be playing that and be uploading. But with time, you can still go into other contents, still under the gaming niche. So it's as simple as that. And if you want to be making comic or comedy skits, you can actually do that. Or if you want to be making reviews, you can do that. But you can't pack different things. You're talking about the Christian sect here, or you're talking about you are uploading Christian sermons, you're uploading Muslim sermons, you're uploading different religious. No, just have a specific niche. If you are a gamer, let them know you are a gamer. Just pick out what you really want to upload on your YouTube channel and just start making videos and uploading. Now, once you upload your video, first of all, you can choose to do an intro video. Just
hey guys, my name is Yusuf. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Then please subscribe. I make content on how to grow a YouTube channel.
You can make an intro video like that and let people know what you want to be doing on your channel. So for most YouTubers, that is the first video they make, including me. I tried it like 5 times, but after that, you can start creating your videos and make sure your videos are entertaining or are passing information to people, because I can't really watch a video and you're not passing any information to me. I won't even subscribe and I won't watch your video for long. So if you really want to grow a YouTube channel, make sure what you are doing, you are either passing information or you are entertaining people. That is just it. Or you are helping people, or you are giving out value. That is the main one. You are giving out value in the videos you are making. Now, if you shoot the video, you need a good phone, probably the iPhone, the Samsung, or a good camera for making your videos. Now, if you really want to be editing your videos, if you are using a phone and you don't have access to a PC, you can use the KineMaster app or you can use the CapCut. But if you have a PC, you can also use the CapCut, then you can use the Premiere Pro app, then you can use the DaVinci Resolve and other apps for video editing. Now you also need to learn a bit of graphic design, because now previously I spoke about editing the videos. You need to learn video editing, just the basics, then also graphic design, the basics of graphic design. Then you also need to learn the basics of SEO. But you can use tools like the vidIQ, the TubeBuddy. You can use the Meta AI to help you in your search engine optimization. That is the SEO and title ideas and description for your video. You just need to tell it this and this and this is what you've done. It should help you with good clickable title ideas, SEO and description. And again, you need to update your videos. There are a lot of settings you really need to do. If you are in Nigeria, if you are in US, you need to go to the settings in your YouTube Studio app. In your YouTube Studio, yes, in your web, that is your PC, and you just adjust the settings. If you are in Nigeria, change your country, your location to wherever you are, which country you are staying. Just change your location. Then how you want to be paid is in dollars. Then the upload default tags and the normal tags that people search for, and your tags are keywords that people search for and they see your content online. So just make sure that you are good in graphics, video editing and SEO. Now for making of thumbnails, we have a lot of apps for making thumbnails. We have the Pixel Lab for phone users, we have the Pixel Lab, then we have the Canva, then we have the thumbnail maker, that is for Android phones and the iPhones. Now for PC, you have the Photoshop and you also have the Canva, and you have other similar apps you can use in making. Then you have the CorelDRAW. So we have similar apps you can use in making thumbnails for your video. So the basic things you need to do is just learn video editing, learn how to make graphics, then learn the SEO. Once you've learned that, then you make sure that your content is something that can hook people, like something that will grab the attention of people. And you make sure you use a very good, you design a very good thumbnail, meaning people will see your thumbnail and want to click. If you are using a thumbnail that is not even clear, the picture is not clear, you are not even portraying enough message to grab the attention of people, your click-through rate will be low. Then after going to the settings, you just need to understand the YouTube Studio apps. For Android users or iPhone users, you can go to the Apple Store or the Play Store and download YouTube Studio. And if you are using your PC, you can just go to studio.youtube.com to just access your studio. Then I'll also make other tutorials on how to access the studio, how to create a YouTube channel from scratch, and a lot of other things. But if you want to be a YouTuber in this year 2025, this is the basic things you need to know. Just the type of content you need to get, the niche, create a YouTube channel. Okay, let me start it this way. Get a Gmail account, get a name, create the YouTube channel, look for a niche, then start uploading. Very simple. So if you feel this video has been helpful to you, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. My name remains Aviel Ephraim.